Hi, I'm Paul from Production Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add some interest to drums by using the Softube Vocoder available on the UAD platform. First of all, let's have a quick listen to the track we're going to be working with. Right, as you can see here, I've got a drum sub where all my drums are being mixed to. So I'm going to copy the Softube Vocoder into the sends, but I'm going to hold down my Alt key, and that's going to create a bus channel. And what we're going to do first of all is take the transpose chord function off the vocoder. And let's move the vocoder out of the way. The next thing that I'm going to do is to record some MIDI notes. But the first thing I need to do is to go to my outs on my instrument channel and choose the UAD Softube Vocoder. And now I'm going to record some note information from my keyboard. As I'm playing these calls, you'll hear the synth in the vocoder is reacting just to the drums. Now that's done, now we can start messing around with the sounds inside the vocoder. Let's load it up again. Okay, let's turn the octave up to +2. Let's make sure the attack is all the way down and the decay is all the way down as well, as I want short notes. And let's bring the PWM down a bit. Let's turn the sensitivity full up and the volume full up as well. And you start to hear the chords come through now. Right, let's leave the emphasis down. The spectral tilt we're going to turn up a bit. And leave the shape on fast. And let's turn up the stereo width. And let's turn up the channel. Right, now let's have a look at our freeze function here. And let's try 16ths, just to add some modulation. Right, now we've got some movement going. Let's bring some effects in. Let's bring in the Lexicon 4 ATL. And let's also bring in the Biscuit 8-bit effects as well. Right, let's start to bring in some other elements from the song. Turn it up a bit. And let's just solo the drums again. Now, I think it's fantastic sometimes you can grab something that's not necessarily meant to be used on certain instruments such as drums and use it and really get some interesting effects out of it. I'm Paul from Production Expert. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.